Hi folks, in today's video I'm going to go over the 4 worst stretches you can be doing if you suffer from sciatica nerve pain, chronic lower back pain, bulging, herniated discs. Now please folks, if you do like the content I'm bringing you every week, please like, comment on these videos, and most importantly, do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates in the future. Okay, let's get into this. Number 1, okay, one of the most agonizing, painful stretches for me to see you want to avoid is the classic toe touch. I still see it done today, okay, in rehabilitation. It's been given to some of my clients in the past, and I'm just like, remove that. Take that out of your arsenal immediately. Do not do that. And it also includes the classic sit and reach, where you're sitting on the ground reaching for the toes. Take it away, okay? It's got too much lumbar flexion in there. Bouncing as well, I'm like, oh my God, do not bounce, all right? If you've got herniated disc, sciatica pain, you're gonna exacerbate it tenfold, all right? Please take it out of your arsenal. Number 2 on the worst list is, it's actually a yoga pose, it's the child pose. Now, again, if you look at this, we've got a lot of lumbar flexion in the spine there, it's a lot of stress, it's gonna push those discs backwards. If you do have a bulging herniated disc, which is therefore causing possibly sciatica nerve pain, this is going to only exacerbate the problem, okay? These are supposed to be decompressing your lumbar vertebra, okay, the lower back itself. It's no, okay? I want you, if you really want a really good, effective decompression stretch, lower back relaxation stretch, I will link to 2 videos at the end, okay, which are really specific for that, lower back decompression, lower back muscle relaxation. No lumbar flexion, very effective stretches. Stay to the end of the video and check those out, okay? Number 3 on the worst stretches you can be doing is lower body rotation. Now you'll see lower body rotates, the knees go one way, the upper body and arm goes the other way. You're trying to stretch, rotate your spine. However, if you are suffering from a lower back problem caused by disc issues, sciatica nerve pain, when your vertebrae rotates, they come closer together. They compress the disc. That's okay with a healthy disc, but if you've got herniated disc, bulging disc, disc degeneration, pinching on a nerve, that is going to only exacerbate the problem. So please take lower body rotations, out, gone, throw it in the garbage bin, okay? And number 4, the final one on the list here, is the classic knees to chest, okay? Again, bouncing it, oh my God, I turn away, this is agony, all right? Please remove the knees to chest from your program. Now, talking to programs, you want to be doing a really effective gradual progression type rehabilitation program. If you are suffering from a lower back issue, sciatica nerve pain, bulging discs, that's why I would suggest you go and check out my lower back pain recovery challenge. Links down there, www.bashbackpain.com/course, okay? 21-day video course where I take you every step of the way on a lower back recovery program. Go check it out today. But listen folks, hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go and check out those very 2 important videos, okay? Decompression lower back and lower back relaxation. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.